Hi guys, and welcome back to Sue Crafts. Today I'm sharing a new project. This album is dedicated for weekend road trips. I know these days nobody's going out, but if in case you have went somewhere, or if you have pictures of last year's weekend trip or somewhere you have went for a short getaway refreshment, then if you have pictures from that trip, you can paste in this album and you can cherish the moments forever, or you can gift this album to the one with whom you visited the place. So this is how its back is looking, and this is the cover. We have a quote card here, our road trip. So here we have an enclosure of like two side enclosure here. It opens like so, and then you can add some text here in form of memories, and you can simply add date or details if you have, and then you can add a picture here. It opens like so on left, and we have beautiful quote cards for this album here, and then we have a spot for adding picture, and then there are beautiful designed quote cards, enjoying every moment, and weekend mode, our weekend getaways. So I think you are getting the idea of this album, and you can use it in different ways. And then we have a code card here saying weekend, and then opens up. These spots, clear off-white spots, are for adding pictures. So you can paste a picture here, you can add some text here, and then we have a very cute code card saying Sundays should come with a pause button. So everybody loves weekends, so this is for those. And then we have one more, love and joy. You can add some wishes here. You can add a picture again, and then we have one of my favorite code cards saying Alexa skip to Friday. So this is how it has been designed. And then high five, you have more room for photos, and it opens like so. You can add two more pictures here, and then one more code card. So I have just added few code cards randomly for adding that extra effect. And then love this place, and then you can add a picture here, and then here happy mind, happy life, one more picture, two more pictures here. Oh, this is a small space. If you have a landscape picture in a thinner version, or if you can crop the picture, you can fit it here, and like so. And then we have weekend, you have gone way too long. So it's all about weekends. No matter if you don't go outside, if you have pictures, you have celebrated any weekend together with your friends and families, you can certainly add pictures here, and you can add details about the evening or the outing, or especially if you are with friends, you do not have to go anywhere, you can celebrate at home as well. So here it says feeling fantastic, and this is a pocket here, so it has some tags. So there are two photo mats inside, and then it's a code card saying it's an add to cart kind of weekend. So this is how I have designed this one. And this is not the end, actually. I'll show you guys how it has more rooms for photographs. So this whole thing goes up like so, and you have two more spots for photos, and one more picture here, and then a code card saying away we go. And then this is how it opens like so once again. So here are two more space for pictures, and then just for fun is a code card here. So this is how it looks. This is a very simple folding folio style weekend album, or like a small road trip you have went off with your friends or families last year or recently. You can add those pictures here, and you can gift it to someone or keep it as a treasure. Thank you guys, keep on watching. Bye.